is Muhammad Tanzil, welding technology student but from Banda SMK 2 Banda Aceh. I will take now TIG welding machine are operation. Please note. Number 1, check to power cord to connection. Number 2, open the argon gas valve. Adjust working pressure of argon gas at 6 psi.
Di bola. Di bola, Bang. Wait.
Yes.
Okay. Number 4, connect to negative cable to a TIG welding machine.
Negatif yang atas buah.
Ini ada aku buat di botol.
Number 5. Yes.
Connect positive cable gas hose and switch flow. Turn on TIG welding machine and learn set the current for welding.
Kuda Inggris.
Bring negative clamp to a welding table. Push the workpiece to a welding table. Welding torque direction to the workpiece and press 2 button on the torch to the welding process. Let's try to do the welding.
Okay, this welding process TIG procedure by Muhammad Tanzil, SMK to Banda Aceh.